Volkswagen has launched a new special edition of the Taigun SUV called the GT Edge Trail Edition. It gets some cosmetic changes and special colors which we'll detail in a bit. Yes, this is a limited edition with only a few units that will be produced. It's priced at Rs 16.3 lakh ex-showroom and not based on the top spec trims unlike many special editions. If you are looking for a mid-size SUV with a German build quality, is this the version that you should be looking at? We'll help you find that answer. First up, the exterior changes. As you can see, the overall stance and design are the same as the standard Taigun. So, let's take a closer look at the finer changes. The few cosmetic enhancements that differentiated from the GT Edge limited edition that was introduced earlier this year include these special decals near the C-pillar, fenders and even extending to the doors. They are tastefully done. Then there's a trail badge on the tailgate. Furthermore, the SUV rides on alloy wheels finished in black. All of these changes help it don a unique look. Moreover, Volkswagen is offering the GT Edge Trail Edition in 3 color options: Reflex Silver, Carbon Steel Grey and Candy White. Inside the Trail Edition, things haven't changed drastically as seen from the standard Taigun. And this is a good thing because we've liked the Taigun for its space, ergonomics and quality of materials. However, what has changed is the black seat upholstery with red stitching. It even gets the word Trail embossed on the backrest. It looks and feels good, but the fitting makes it feel it's an aftermarket accessory. Other small accessories include puddle lamps and sporty foot pedals. In terms of features, yes, there is some equipment missing as this is not based on the top spec GT Plus variant. So, there are no ventilated or power seats, no cruise control and no sunroof. It also misses out on a fully digital instrument cluster and gets this part analog, part digital one instead. Also, the top spec Taigun gets full LED headlamps and 6 airbags, which are given a miss here. It gets halogens and dual airbags instead. Nonetheless, the car is still equipped with a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system, automatic headlamps, a rear view camera and TPMS amongst many other modern day features. Moreover, we would like to bring to your notice is that Volkswagen is offering a dashcam with a 2-inch display along with this special edition. It provides loop recording with dual cameras and many more features. Quite a nifty little gadget to have in this day and age. The Taigun GT Edge Trail Edition comes powered by a 1.5-litre turbo petrol engine. It produces 148 bhp and 250 Nm of torque. However, in this special edition, you can have it only in the 6-speed manual gearbox. There is no option of an automatic. The Taigun GT Edge Trail Edition is only available with a 1.5-litre turbo petrol engine. It produces 148 bhp and 250 Nm of torque. However, in this special edition, it comes mated to only a 6-speed manual gearbox. One cannot have it in the automatic variants. The new Taigun Trail Edition, with its focus on adventure, will continue to rival the Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara, Honda Elevate, Kia Seltos, Hyundai Creta, Skoda Kodiaq, MG Aster and Toyota Hyryder. Since this is a single trim being offered at Rs 16.3 lakh ex-showroom, it costs the same as the mid-spec Taigun GT trim but with the aforementioned additional features. On the other hand, the GT Edge Limited Edition is 2 lakh rupees more expensive as it's based on the top spec GT Plus variant of the Taigun. So prospective buyers will lose out on some features that you get with the top spec GT Plus variants. However, at the price point that this is being offered, it is quite a convincing buy with a unique appeal, especially for manual SUV buyers. For an automatic, you'll have to look at the other variants. Speaking of special editions, you might want to check out our Skoda Elegance editions, which we've detailed in the video here. And then there's a detailed video review of the Taigun in the box below.